To save files to your Google Drive, the first thing you're going to do is that we're going to go to our Google Chrome and we'll come over to this sign here where it says Google Apps and we'll click on it. You will see all the apps that Google have here. You can find basically any app you are looking for here. So I'm going to go over to Drive. Our Drive is open now. You can actually get Google Drive for desktop if you really want and download that and leave it in your desktop. You can click this plus sign here where it says new. You can create a new folder from this part. Now you can upload your file from here by just clicking the file upload. It's going to open the interface for you to choose your file. But I'm going to close this out. And if I still click the plus sign, you can also upload folder if it's folder you want to upload. And that way to upload your file to Google Drive is you can just drag the file, drop the file like say for open this out. You will see that my file is uploading. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Do have a good one.